Once logged in, follow the button Build an Assessment or Question Set. You will come to the screen where you provide a name and description for your bespoke assessment. You then have the option to choose up to 3 question streams to form part of the assessment. For example, in the global template named Health Check, the 3 question streams are Health and Safety, Quality and Environment. You may also add a new stream to associate questions to. You then select the streams forming part of your assessment. The next part is grouping your questions into categories. This provides structure to presenting the questions on the slides for the visitor experience and groups results in the assessment report. Again, you have the option to choose categories used by colleagues from previous assessments, or you may add a new category. Save to add the assessment to your unit. Your structure to the assessment is now in place and you can add questions to it. Using the inline editor, you create your question. Then choose which stream and category it belongs to. At this point, you can choose answer types saved from previous questions. There are 2 types of answers, single or multi-select. Select the answer list to associate with the question. You can then customize your chosen answer list by editing it. You can also change the weighting of the answers. This will reflect on the outcome of the assessment report. Here you can also build a new answer type. Choose single or multi-select and list your answers. If the answer list recurs for future questions, you may want to save it to your library, saving time in the future associating questions. It is a good idea to have a structure of your assessment drafted before you input it to the tool. Having an indication of how many questions forms part of the assessment aids putting the weighting of the answers in perspective to the overall assessment. It also aids how you group your questions to allow a seamless flow through the focus areas. Your assessment can be as simple or complex as you choose, depending on the required objective.